In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform this struggling lakeside cottage listing into a booking machine using 10 proven strategies that have helped thousands of hosts go from empty calendars to consistently booked. This is Le Galant, a beautiful rustic cottage on Lake Sarrazin in Quebec. It has everything guests want: lakefront location, private beach access, kayaks, hot tub, cozy fireplace. But look at this listing. 37 dimly lit amateur photos that are absolutely killing this property's potential. A generic title that doesn't create any excitement, missing amenities that should be highlighted, and back-end issues that are confusing potential guests. We're going to fix every single problem that's costing this host bookings, and I'll show you the exact steps using this real listing as our example. Each strategy has been tested by our community of hosts, and I'll share specific results throughout this video. Stick around until step 10, because that's the change that typically doubles booking requests overnight. But first, if you're serious about maximizing your Airbnb income, hit that subscribe button, because every week I'm breaking down real strategies that actually work. Let's start with step 1. Look at these photos from Le Galant. 37 images, and they're all dark, poorly framed, and completely fail to showcase this cottage's amazing lakeside location. The very first photo should be that stunning lake view from the balcony, not this dark interior shot that tells guests absolutely nothing about what makes this property special. Here's what's happening. Guests are scrolling through hundreds of listings, and they make decisions in seconds based on what they see in that first photo. These dim amateur shots are causing potential guests to scroll right past this beautiful property without even clicking to see more. Professional photography is not optional if you want consistent bookings. When Sarah from our community and B&B Tribe invested in professional photos, she went from struggling to get bookings to becoming a guest favorite and eventually reaching the top 10% of listings on Airbnb. Here's what this property needs. First, hire a photographer who specializes in vacation rentals. The lake view should be the hero shot, golden hour lighting with the cottage reflecting in the water. Next, lifestyle shots, showing guests how they'll actually use the space. Picture someone relaxing in that hot tub with lake views in the background. Show the kayaks ready for adventure. Capture the cozy fireplace setting, the mood for an evening of relaxation. The kitchen needs proper lighting to show it's fully equipped. The bedrooms need to feel spacious and welcoming, not cramped and dark. And every photo should answer the question, what experience will I have here? Professional photos alone typically increase booking requests by 30 to 50%. It's the single biggest change you can make to any underperforming listing. Hi, I'm James Fedek, co-author of Airbnb for Dummies and one of the world's leading short-term rental educators. Over my 8 years of hosting through every market cycle, I've personally managed dozens of listings while earning a full-time income myself and traveling the world full-time. I've been featured in some of the world's biggest publications and helped thousands of hosts to level up their hosting. Through B&B Mastery, I've helped over 800 hosts to optimize their business, plus helped over 700 people launch successful co-hosting careers. I'm here to help you with your short-term rental. Step 2, let's optimize this headline. The current headline reads Le Galant, rustic lakeside cottage. This tells potential guests almost nothing about why they should choose this property over the hundreds of other cottages they're likely going to be looking at. A great headline follows a simple formula: unique location plus key amenities plus convenience factor. Here's what Le Galant's headline should be: lakefront cottage with private beach, kayaks, and hot tub. 10 minutes to town. See the difference? Guests searching for lakefront properties will find this immediately. The amenities create instant appeal: private beach access, included kayaks, relaxing hot tub, and the convenience factor addresses the common concern about remote properties being too isolated. Your headline is working 24/7 to attract bookings. It shows up in search results, gets included in Airbnb's promotional emails, and influences whether guests even click on your listing in the first place. Make every word count. Step 3, complete amenity selection. Here's a back-end issue that most hosts completely miss. Le Galant shows only 34 amenities listed, but this cottage definitely has way more features that just aren't showing up in search results. When you don't select all the applicable amenities on your hosting dashboard, two bad things happen. First, your listing doesn't appear when guests filter their searches for specific features. Second, guests lose confidence because your listing looks incomplete compared to competitors who've properly configured their amenities. Here's how to fix this. Go through Airbnb's entire amenities checklist systematically. Don't just add the obvious stuff. Look at every single option and ask yourself, do we have that? Kitchen essentials, entertainment options, outdoor features, safety equipment, accessibility features, if applicable, whatever is there. Each additional amenity increases your search visibility and builds guest confidence. When someone filters for properties with kayaks or listings with hot tubs, you want to appear in those search results. This is exactly how Andrea from our community was able to land her first luxury listing management client at a 20% management fee. She demonstrated the value of proper backend optimization, and the property owner immediately saw the difference in their booking request. Step 4, fix the where you'll sleep configuration. This is a technical back-end issue that creates major confusion for potential guests. Le Galant currently shows the wrong room as bedroom 1, which means guests don't actually know what they're booking when they're reserving this cottage. When guests can't clearly understand the sleeping arrangements, they bounce to other listings that are more transparent. Or worse, they book and then leave a bad review when expectations aren't met. It's a trust issue. If you can't properly configure your bedrooms, what else might be wrong with this booking? Here's the step-by-step fix. Go into your listing editor and navigate to the spaces section. For each bedroom, upload a photo that clearly shows that specific room. Make sure each room shows the bed, the configuration, and unique features, and gives guests a clear sense of the space. If there's a bedroom with lake views, highlight that. If another room is perfect for kids with bunk beds or unique decor, show it. This might seem like a small detail, but it's the back-end configurations that separate amateur listings from professional ones. Step 5, cancellation policy optimization. Le Galant currently has a flexible cancellation policy, which might seem guest-friendly, but actually attracts the wrong types of bookings and hurts your revenue. Here's what happens with flexible policies. Guests book your property as a backup option while they're still continuing to search for something better. When they find a preferred property or change their minds, they cancel last minute, leaving you with an empty calendar that's nearly impossible to fill. The solution is switching to a strict cancellation policy. I know this sounds counterintuitive, but strict policies actually improve your booking quality and protect your income. Guests who book under strict policies are serious about their reservation. They've made a committed decision and are much less likely to cancel. This means more reliable income and fewer last-minute scrambles to fill up empty dates. Will you get fewer total booking requests? Possibly, but you'll get significantly more actual stays, which is what matters for your revenue. Step 6, safety and trust signals. Safety features aren't just about compliance. They're powerful, trust-building tools that influence booking decisions. Le Galant needs to properly display all safety amenities to build guest confidence. The current issue is that essential safety features like carbon monoxide detectors aren't showing up in the amenities list. This makes guests wonder if the property is properly maintained and safe for their families. The fix goes beyond just selecting safety amenities. List your smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, fire extinguisher, first aid kit if available. If you have exterior lighting for safe nighttime arrival, list that. Security features like lock boxes or smart locks should be highlighted. Remember, families are often your highest value guests, and they make booking decisions based heavily on safety considerations. A complete safety profile gives them confidence to choose your property over competitors who haven't properly configured these features. These first 6 steps create the foundation of a professional listing, but this is just the beginning of what we cover in our listing optimization training inside of B&B Tribe. You get detailed implementation guides for every strategy we're discussing, plus our complete back-end optimization checklist that ensures you never miss these crucial setup details. If you want to join the world's best community for Airbnb hosts, click the link in the description down below and check it out. Now let's move into content optimization that turns browsers into bookers. The next step is a description rewrite that sells. Le Galant's current description is a wall of text that buries the best features and doesn't create any emotional connection with potential guests. Here's how to rewrite the description for maximum impact. Start with a hook that creates immediate emotional connection. Next, organize key features into scannable sections that answer any of the questions any prospective guest may have. Use room headings and bullet points to ensure everything is well organized and easy to find. The goal is to make it easy for guests to find the information they need to feel confident booking your place. Step 8 is photo captions and organization. Le Galant has 37 photos with almost 0 captions. Guests are looking at images without understanding what they're seeing or why it matters to their stay. Photo captions serve 2 purposes. They provide context that helps guests understand features, and they create opportunities to highlight benefits they might miss. Photo organization is equally important. Le Galant should lead with that stunning lake view, then show the outdoor amenities like kayaks and hot tub that make this property really unique. Interior shots come next, starting with the main living spaces before moving into the bedrooms. The goal is creating a visual story that flows logically and builds excitement. Each photo should make guests more eager to book, not just provide documentation of what exists. Step 9 is to optimize the house rules. Current house rules read like legal restrictions that make guests feel unwelcome before they even arrive. In all caps, no external boats are allowed on the lake. Outside music is prohibited at any time. Pets are not allowed. This negative framing creates immediate psychological resistance. Guests start thinking about limitations instead of possibilities. Here's how to reframe Le Galant's rules positively. Instead of no external boats allowed, try enjoy our provided kayaks and pedal boats designed specifically for Lake Sarrazin. They're included free with your stay and ensure both your safety and the lake's protection. No outside boats are allowed. Outside music prohibited becomes we maintain a peaceful environment perfect for relaxation and connecting with nature. Our guests love the tranquil setting for unwinding from city life, and we ask that no music be played outdoors. Pets are not allowed can be softened to ensure the comfort for all of our guests, including those with allergies. We maintain a pet-free environment. The key is presenting rules as benefits that enhance the guest experience rather than restrictions that limit their enjoyment. And last but not least, step 10, seasonal content optimization. Here's the advanced strategy that can double your booking requests. Le Galant has incredible year-round appeal, but the current listing presents the same message regardless of the season. This is a massive missed opportunity. Summer content should focus on lake activities. Spend endless summer days swimming in crystal clear Lake Sarrazin, kayaking hidden coves, and barbecuing on your private deck while watching spectacular sunsets. Winter messaging completely changes. Cozy lakefront retreat, perfect for winter adventures. This isn't just about changing a few words. Update your photo order seasonally. Summer lead photos should show lake activities and outdoor relaxation. Winter photos should highlight the cozy interior, the fireplace, and the snowy landscape appeal. Many hosts never think about seasonal optimizations, which means you can immediately stand out by speaking directly to what guests want during their specific travel dates. Andrew from our community recently landed his first $30,000 reservation using these exact seasonal messaging strategies. He understood that winter guests and summer guests have completely different motivations, and he spoke to each group specifically. The impact is immediate. Instead of competing with every lakefront property year-round, you're only now competing with properties that understand seasonal optimization. These 10 steps transform any listing from overlooked to irresistible. But here's the thing. Implementing these changes individually can take weeks, and it's easy to miss critical details that hurt your end results. That's exactly why we created our complete listing transformation toolkit inside B&B Tribe. You get step-by-step implementation guides for every strategy we just covered. Our professional photography templates show exactly what shots to get. The amenities checklist ensures you never miss features that could appear in search results. Plus, you'll join hosts like Sarah, who became a top 10% host on Airbnb by systematically implementing these exact strategies. B&B Tribe is just $49 per month. You can cancel anytime, and you get immediate access to everything you need to transform your listing's performance. The link is at the top of the description down below. Don't let another month pass by with an underperforming listing when these proven strategies can start improving your bookings immediately. What's the biggest issue you spotted with Le Galant's original listing? Drop a comment and let me know which of these 10 steps you're most excited to implement on your own property. If this breakdown helped you understand what's possible with proper listing optimization, hit that like button and subscribe for more real listing makeovers just like this one. I post new strategies every single week that help hosts maximize their Airbnb income. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.